Question 81. At which of the following temperatures will steel begin to solidify in respect to a liquid weld pool that has a very high energy level? Answer: 2,780 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 82. Which of the following substances should never be cut or welded on directly? Answer: concrete. Question 83. Can voltages below 50 volts exist? Answer: they can cause fatal shock under some conditions. Question 84. With a 1/4 inch carbon arc electrode and welding equipment, what amperage should be used for cutting? Answer: 200 to 400 amps. Question 85. In a pneumatic system, which of the following is utilized to lower line pressure? Answer: regulator. Question 86. Which of the following is a possible consequence of exposure to ultraviolet and infrared light? Answer: permanent eye damage and burning of the skin. Question 87. In regard to fasteners, TPI stands for which of the following? Answer: threads per inch. Question 88. Increasing subarc voltage will have the effect of? Answer: use more flux. Question 89. What is the consequence of insufficient air pressure in the CACA process? Answer: carbon deposits in the base metal. Question 90. This kind of SMAW welding equipment is equipped with both AC and DC current. Answer: transformer rectifier. Question 91. Which of the following is an unfilled groove melted into the base metal next to the weld toe or weld root? Answer: undercut. Question 92. When welding with direct current and straight polarity, what is the electrode lid connected to? Answer: negative terminal. Question 93. What is the optimal fuel gas for preheating 6-inch or thicker material? Answer: propane. Question 94. What are the shielding gases used in GMAW and FCAW processes? Answer: argon and carbon dioxide. Question 95. If the weld does not merge with another weld or the base metal, it is referred to as? Answer: incomplete fusion. Question 96. What is the benefit of a 2-stage regulator? Answer: it can be used for cutting as well as welding. Question 97. Why is a large arc retained at the beginning of a bead? Answer: allows the molten puddle to develop quickly. Question 98. Which of the following sorts of examinations must a welder pass to be considered qualified? Answer: WPQR. Question 99. This will aid in controlling the features and depth of the metal deposit. Answer: polarity. Question 100. What is the most significant distinction between aluminum and steel? Answer: aluminum is more difficult to form.